Good day. So this is our final project. So my project is all about motor parts. So in this page, this is the login page of admin. So admin can log in if they already registered the email address and password. So first we will log in as admin. So admin at gmail.com. Then the password is admin 123. So we will log in. So this is the admin dashboard. So makikita yung total product, total user, and system status. So first and next we will go to view product of admin. So admin can edit the product. So example, edit natin yung price, lagay natin 450, then update product. So ayan, nag-update yung price na from 500 to 400. Also, si admin is makadelete ng product. So example, delete natin itong swing arms. So ayan, successful na na-delete yung isang product. So next is punta tayo sa add product. So in this page, maglagay lang tayo ng name ng product. Example is swing arms. So sample lang ito. Then lagyan natin price ng 1,000. Then choose na tayo ng image for the product. So sample ito lang yung tire. Then open, automatic lalagay yan dito. Then save product. So yan, successful added. Then balik tayo sa product. So ito yung swing arms na in-add natin. So example lang yung photo kasi hindi ako nakapag-download. Then punta naman tayo sa user login form. So isa lang yung login form pero nakabase yung pag-register if yung email is for admin or for user. So we will login as user at gmail.com. So the password is user 123. So we will log in now. So ayan, nag-direct siya sa user dashboard. So dito sa user dashboard, makikita din yung total products, latest part, and categories. So punta tayo sa view product. So yun, same lang din yung mga product dito na makikita sa admin. So tatlo dito, then tatlo din dito. So automatic yan dito na nagda-direct direct display sa user view product. So gumamit tayo dyan ng API. Then nag-add ako ng button na may add to cart. So pag pinindot natin to, automatic yan makikita dito sa floating cart. Then example, add to cart natin itong lahat. So check out natin. So automatic mag-generate siya ng receipt. Then makikita din dito yung in-add to cart natin na handle grip, tire, swing arms, then yung price, then yung total price ng lahat-lahat. So nag-integrate din ako ng makakasave ito sa PDF file. So save natin. Rename lang natin ng receipt or lagay na natin OR. Save natin sa desktop. So tingnan natin, ito na, open file. So ito yung receipt na galing sa system. So maka-convert siya into PDF file. So that's all. Thank you.